Be quietly and don't be laughing, listening to me. And I am telling about myself. My name is Lakshmi, daughter of Mr. Sugan. I live in Gopal Colony, and my objective I want to take a government job, sincerity and honesty with hard working. And my strength are my family and my loyalty. I and my weakness I am over deeply thinking but who thinking about me and my qualification I read in 10th class and from in this school and my ninth class done from same school and my eighth class done from this school and my family background in my family have a five member. First my father name Mr. Sugan and my father do electricity work and helper and my mother name Mrs. Neelam and my mother is a housewife and third member my elder brother name Mr. Roshan and my fourth me and fifth my younger brother name Mr. Ravi and my brother read in ninth class. This is a little bit introduction about me. Now I am telling one presentation in front of you about Accounts Academy. What is Accounts Academy? What it is Accounts Academy. This academy was started in 10 April 2025, and in this Accounts Academy coach named Mr. Vikram Goswami, and which type of a coach come here and speaking very well in English and improve our confidence. You can speaking very well with the help of English and student improve our confidence and your hesitation increase with decrease with the help of English. And which type of a course provide first English spoken course and second computer course. Our course provide here spoken English course, advanced English and second grammar and third interview preparation and fourth computer course. And in Accounts Academy we can speaking very well in English and he guy teach the basic concept of grammar. With the help of a basic concept of grammar we can speaking very well and this is a combine of a spoken English to everyone and he teaching only not grammar. He also prepared to all student interview. If you need any job then you crack your crack your interview. And here provided one computer course. If you complete English course then he guide give the computer course to all students. Why chose this academy? First of all, easy teaching method. They have an easy teaching method. We can speaking very well because he very easily teaching to all students and daily speaking method. He don't write in notebook. You can speaking very well with the help of a basic concept of grammar. We don't write in notebook. Only you speaking and small batches. Here have a small batches. You not have a biggest batches. If you here and only these limited seats, you can speaking very well. You can he can teaching to every student. You can speaking very well and personal attention. He got not every student attention, only one student attention to every student. What the purpose of this academy is this academy purpose only you can speaking very well everyone and you go here and there you can speaking in English and it is a providing environment to all students and their environment is very good. You can speaking very well in English. Their environment is a friendly behavior, not a teaching behavior. Our teaching method, daily conversation of method, everyday conversations in English. You don't be hesitate. You can speaking very well in English and Hindi. Here use two method, English and English. If you don't understanding in English, then he guy understanding for in Hindi. he translate in Hindi. And grammar speaking combined. Here as a note, combine speaking English to all students and group discussion. Do group discussion. Akans Academy also group discussion to every student combine and real life example like me. And in after 5 months ago, I am not speaking able English, but I speaking very well in front of you. You know, I I think according to me, I speaking little bit speaking everything every topic. If you give any topic, then I speaking this topic. Student benefit, improve confidence, better communication skill. First of all, your confidence increase. If you speaking English, then you if you don't speaking English, your confidence not increase. If you more than speaking English, your confidence very increase. And better communication, with the help of English you can communication to everyone. This is a communication skill, and you communication to another person and another country, you can communicate very easily. Help in job interview, if you need any job, then you crack your interview easily. For better education, if you learn this English course complete, then you easily education do. Our result, many students improve their English. And here Akans Academy, you can speaking, if you learn this basic grammar, then you speaking very well in English. And student now speaking confident. If you go here and you can speaking very well in English, your confidence increase and your communication skills increase. And positive feedback in your family, they your family. A positive feedback, my family give the one feedback positive. And I am not able to speak English, but 2 3 one day I speaking in front of my family, then they give positive feedback to me, and then my confidence in skill and your then I positive thinking. If you positive thinking, then you positive do. And job seeker also job this academy. They have a not limited age, everyone join this academy. And if you want any interview complete, then he guide 1 month free teach you. There have a many facility. First, friendly environment. In Akans Academy, have a friendly environment. You can speaking very well. Don't be hesitate. Every student help you, and they have a friendly environment. No required of a bag and notebook. There is a not required a bag and notebook, because you only take one notebook, because you don't do any practice. You can't speaking very well. So we take one notebook. Don't be required one bag. Weekly test in Akans Academy. Do the weekly test every student combined. And he he also take the weekly test. What the what the do what you learn in this week, then he guide take the weekly test. And then your confidence increase. If you don't where you mistake, and then that's the reason he weekly test every student. And CCTV camera, CCTV camera only one person for student your safety in computer, because he guy go to here and there, then he see in phone what you do in Khan's Academy. And monthly parents meeting, here do monthly parents meeting. What the response of your children, that's the reason take a monthly parents meeting to every student. And time space, flexible batching time. There is a flexible time, you come evening time. If you have an evening time, then you come evening. If you don't have a time, then you come evening and morning. Every time come here Akans Academy, every time open. And affordable fees for all students. They have a affordable fees. If you don't take a 100 amount, then he give the discount to all students. Student complete this course. 7 students complete this course. First Nancy, second Divyansu, third Sivang, fourth me and Somi, and seventh Ajay. Special offer in this year. No admission charge, early bird. If you don't know, every student, every school give, every student go to any school, then 1 month, then in April month, every school take the admission charge, but this academy not admission charge. He give only monthly fees. New batching start now. With new batching start, if you want speaking English, then you come here and you can learn speaking English. And special facilities for girl. If, who girl join this course, then he give also computer basic computer course complete. If you complete this course, then all this is a facility only girl. And here as there have a only this limited seat, not have a little amount seat present there. He don't, he not want here many students come here, only he want 10 and 5 students come here and speaking easily, because he personally attention to all students. He he don't want, because he want who is speaking English, and he want only confidence speaking English. In English you can speaking very well, because in this area not able to speaking every student. He guy go to all student, but not one single principal not speaking in English. Summary: Akans Academy is a place where students come here and speaking in English very well, and with the help of English, we can speaking very well, and your confidence in skills and your communication skills increase and improve your confidence and your communication and your personality. So if you go here and there, if you go any country, then you don't understand this language, then you speaking in English, then you understand who saying you. And with the help of English you can communication to anyone, and your better better future shape. If you speaking very well, then your future shape easily make. And so according to me, English is a very important in our life for future. And if you go any interview job, then you correct your interview, and in the future time English is a very important for every student and for every person. So this is my little bit uh, information to all student. If you want English, if you learn English, then you go here in Akans Academy. This is the only 100 fees monthly, and he also give the demo class, 3 demo class free. You if you want to go there, don't take any fees, free demo class. Thank you listening to me. If you want